Why Lord is essential to have? I'll try to elaborate more today on that aspect before we enter the Rudram. See, we don't understand little of the God also. The solution of the world cannot be found in the world and by the world. The solution of the world can be found only one who is beyond the world and one who is not a part of the world. What itself is a problematic area, don't try to seek solution from the problematic area. When God is the only non-problematic, so we have to seek solution from the God. Who is that God? We will now elaborate little more today and then we will enter the Rudram. See, there is one rule. There is one small rule, but very pertinent and important rule. That if there is something is held, then there has to be holder of that thing. Like the body is held, so there is one reflected consciousness which is holding this body. If this consciousness goes away, then this body will fall down. If the class is held in the school and colleges, there has to be some teacher who is holding the class. If the teacher goes away, the class fizzles out, it goes away. If the family is held, there has to be some mother, father, or somebody who was holding the family. They say also, after my father passed away, our whole family got disintegrated. So if this body is held properly, so there has to be someone who is not a part of the body, who is holding the body. And in the deep sleep also, when that Jeev goes into one manifestation, this body will fall down. But again it will get up after the Jeev is back. But when the death happens, this body will immediately fall down because there is no holder of this body. Very, very important principle, it comes in Prashnopanishad. If these things are understood, it will make the things clear. Supposing there is a house. House has window, door. And you leave the house and go away forever. So after 5 years, 10 years, some crack will happen. There will be electrical problem. There will be some kind of plumbing problem. And slowly the whole house will disintegrate. To hold the house intact, there has to be someone living in the house who is not a part of the house, but he is holder of the house. And he need not be inert, he has to be some conscious entity. Right? Now what I am going to say, you have to accept that also. Big cosmos is there. Sun is held at its own position. Moon at its own position. Earth at its own position. And all the solar system is following certain laws. Sun is tucked somewhere. Moon is tucked somewhere. Everything is properly put in its own perspective. Nobody is budging or little also. If sun shakes, everything will shake away. Earth is following only a particular orbit. There is no traffic jam. everything is very well kept and held. Millions of stars are there. Their distances are in light years. You agree they are held? If they are held, can I conclude now? Somebody should be holder of that whole cosmos. And he is not a part of the cosmos. He has to be a sentient entity. And that sentient entity is Rudram. And how big he has to be, you can imagine that. You can call Vishnuji also, no problem. You can call Durgaji also, no problem. You can give all name, I have no problem. And as you can move your hand and leg at will, he also can move anything at will. He can do pralaya at will. He can do srishti at will. You can't say there is no God. Show me the God. They don't understand. If you show something, it will become finite. Supposing I say, show me the God. I say, देखो God है यहाँ पे. So then, if you show something, then apart from that shape, then where will be the God? Then? You cannot define. Gurudev used to say, God defined is God defiled. Spirituality is not a matter of only belief. Some people were fanatic and they believed in something. Well, this is not a mythology only. He has full control over all the cosmos. Little of his sneezing, in Vedas it is, yasya prashvasitam Veda. His breathing is the Vedas. And he can create anything, as you can create anything. You can blink your eyes, you can shake your hair. And therefore this is called the Virat form of the Lord, on which Purush Suktam is there. What we know about Ishwar? How much we have thought to know about Lord. As we have one body, there is also one cosmic body. And if you read Bhagavad, etc., they will say whole ocean is his womb, earth is the feet, sun and moon are the eyes, the clouds are the hairs. It's a representation that the whole body is there. And therefore there is also a part of that Virat. And why he is there? Because he has to do two things. Yesterday I gave two definitions. If you remember. Rodeti, one who makes cry by giving terrible fruits of action. And second was Rutam Dravyati, who melts very fast, who melts our own sorrows also. So both the God is required. God, both form is there. You can bless also and you can create sufficient problem for somebody also. God is not an option in life. We have few requirements that we have to understand. We have that requirement. And this is one with the form. Remember I said yesterday, outer body is there was a thought body is there. In the thought body behind this Virat form, that thought body is called Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyam sarvagyatam garbhe ante yasya bahubri samas. Omniscience in his womb. So behind this Virat is a big Hiranyagarbha is there. And behind this Hiranyagarbha is the avyakt is there, or the unmanifest is there. And these are all called Ishwar form is there. Remember, if this part is divorced from the whole body, this part will suffer. Angi and Ang should not be disconnected. If I live my own life, people say sometimes, I find it so ridiculous. Well, I want to live my own life. How can you live your own life when you are deriving all the existence from the main? Bulb can't say, I want to live my own life. This finger cannot live its own life. It has to follow the body and work for the body. Am I right? These hairs are so good because they are associated with the whole. Moment it goes out, it becomes a dirt. Because it can't survive after that. It is a dead hair. Live hair is different, like you all have. And dead hair is different. Some people have hair transplant, I don't know how to do that. They bring out the original hair or they transplant from outside? Anyway, that's another question. Ishwar is not something which we can objectify and leave him. There are 5 P's which are required. And therefore, because he is the giver and he is the taker, karturagnya prapyate phalam. You cannot grab the fruit. And therefore, first requirement in our life, that Lord has to be prasanna. 5 P's, let me see how many P comes in my mind. First P is, he has to be prasanna. If he is not prasanna, he will not give you the best. If you are not happy on somebody, you don't want to talk to that person also. You don't want to feed that person. Fruit you have no choice to get the fruit or not to get the fruit. You are not free to get anything what you want. Any wife, any husband, any child, we don't want everything. Many things you are living with, we don't know you are having it. Only you know that, others don't know. Some people are like that, diseases are like that, health is like that. So first is he has to be prasanna. Because ultimately, everything has to come through him only. And if he is not prasanna, remember that he will not give you everything very good. How he will be prasanna, that we will see that. Second P is, he should give me some purity of my mind. Purity means at least absence of anger and expectation. One weakness can make the life hell. You don't need 2 weaknesses. Don't say I have only one weakness, that's sufficient now. You have a local hell. One desire. No, I don't have any desire, only one desire. I just want to have a son. Whole world will come now. One calm is there, one anger is there, one jealousy is there. We take it lightly. One infection can create sufficient problem in the body. One little snack can create sufficient problem in the mind. You don't need 2, 1 is enough. It will bring all. One weakness brings many weaknesses. If kidney is weak, pancreas also will become weak. All organs will become weak. In front of my house, there was one Mr. Pandey living. And if any time we invited from any dinner, etc., whole family used to come. And they had 50 people. Very big joint family. So if you say anything, even if you write Mr. S.P. Pandey, all 50 people will come. So similarly, weakness don't come alone. Hundreds will come together. If anger is there, your time will also be wasted. You will speak bad also. Your eating will be affected. Your sleep will be affected. Your relation will be affected from somebody. So a horde of other problems will come. And therefore, first P prasannata, second P purity should be there. And you give me, I cannot control whole mind. You can understand after controlling the mind. You will understand you could not control it all alone. To control one emotion is a big challenge. Maya it's not a simple thing. Third P, our prarabdha should be little quieter. If prarabdha is disturbed, it will take all your attention there. To come here also you should have a quieter house. Husband, wife should not be disturbing. Children should not be disturbing. Health should be okay. So please quieten my prarabdha also. Is it okay? Third P, no? No. Prasannata, purity, prarabdha. Fourth P we required. At least we should have some power of thinking should be required. Power is required. Little memory should be there. Everywhere some strength should be there. I feel very weak at times. I feel low. Give me the power. You are so powerful, whole cosmos is under your control. Give little of that power to me also. At your wills everything is happening. Give me some power, Bhagavan. Mantras are nothing. Yesterday, if you remember, I said it is a power trapping device. It is an esoteric, power-packed, potential, cryptic sound, not word. Sound which catches the infinite power of the Lord for me. Particularly for me. Therefore, mantra should be chanted, not heard. That you are cutting vegetable and you are hearing Bhurvasva Tatsavidur Varenyam. Bhajan should be heard. Put on the cassette, Anuradha Pandavas. After that, it is going on. Trambakam yajamahe sugandim pushtivardhanam. Ya mobile bhi dekh rahe hain, WhatsApp bhi kar rahe hain. It's not for that. So, prasannata, purity, prarabdha, power. 5, 4. From that will come perfection, that is called jnanam. Conducive prarabdha will grow in your life. And you will have opportunity to live with your guru. Having guru is not sufficient. It is okay. But I want to physically live with him. To dispel my doubts. And therefore, another P, pravachan is required. ऐसा नहीं काम चलेगा. Google will not give you an answer. You need consistent, continuous listening from a capable teacher to dispel the doubt. तो कभी कभी नहीं होगा, कभी कभी दिल में ख्याल आएगा बस. लेकिन what is required? What is required? I want continuous satsang. Continuously I have 10 questions. Which mantra to do? How to do? What puja is right? Please, one day, please, Gurudev, please sit here and see my puja. What I am doing is right or wrong? Please tell me what is Atma, what is Jivatma, what is Brahman, what is my jap is okay or not, because I googled and found my own mantra. Nobody gave me the mantra. 3-4 mantra I do. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya also, Om Namah Shivaya also, Ganapate Namah also I do, 4-5 I do. And because if I don't do now, I feel that God will be upset, therefore I do for everybody. Is it right or wrong? To write ABCD also we needed a teacher also. We need pravachan. And you cannot force a good pravachan. That also depends on him, who will come to teach us. All big things he has kept in his hand. You can't force a teacher. You don't know which teacher is there. Who is meant for me? He may come and you may not click. I may not be tuned to him, or he may not be tuned to me. He may not understand me. He may not love me, or I may not be able to love him. 10 things are required. Not that simple. One more P is there. And because of these P, we will have perfection after that. Perfection means Brahmatmaikya both would be there. Then only problem will be solved. Then what to do for that? So prasannata, purity, prarabdha, power, pravachan. After that, perfection will come. 6P. 6 हो गया ना? Remember this. ये जरूरत है हमारी. We require very big things.